Hi everyone, I'm Esther and welcome back to my channel. If you're new on my channel, I share videos on tech, motivation and lifestyle. Thanks for stopping by and please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive updates when I post a new video. Work with our PC and mostly Google Chrome in our everyday activity. It's so hard to see a day that goes by without anyone searching the internet through Google Chrome for one information or the other. In this video, I am going to share tricks and tips to help you navigate faster in Google Chrome with your PC. Please stay with me to the end because you will learn something new and amazing. It will help you increase your performance in your work and personal life. So let's go there. Okay, here on my PC, I have different tabs that are open. To create a group of tabs, select all the tabs that you want to group together. Here you have to press your shift key and select the tabs. Right click and add tabs to new group. A window will pop up here. You can name it whatever you want. Let's say my group. You can also select a color that you want it to appear in. There are different colors. So let's select this color and it's done. When you click on the group created, it will reduce. When you tap on it again, it will expand. So that's it for creating group of tabs. Here you have enough spaces where you can now search for more information on Google Chrome. Okay, here the next tip. Let's say I'm watching a video on YouTube. Here, I'm watching a video on YouTube and I'm working also on my PC. So how do I resolve it? Watching my video and also going to the tab or internet sites that I want to work on. Here you can navigate to control your music. Click on this icon. Here you will see where you can pause the video here, where you can play it picture in picture. So when you play here picture in picture, you tap it, the audio is going to, the video rather, is going to appear at the bottom right of your Google Chrome. Then you can head back to wherever you want to, whatever you want to search for in the internet. Here you start playing. While you are playing, you are browsing through whatever you want to browse through. And start browsing while your audio is still playing. So you have the options to keep browsing whatever you want to browse about. So you can search for what you're searching and your audio is still playing in the background. That's it. Okay, most times when you open your Google Chrome, you see that it opens on a new tab altogether. If you want it to open all the tabs you've previously visited, you have to go to your settings, click on the ellipsis by the right hand, go to your settings. When you head to your settings, you go to on startup, click on startup. Here you will see open the new tab page, continue where you left off, open a specific page or set of pages. So here being clicked on open the new tab page, this enables the Google Chrome to open on a new tab page whenever you open it. Now let's say we select continue where you left off. Here is going to open, whenever you open your Google Chrome, is going to open all the tabs where you recently visited. Okay, so the next tip, let's ungroup this. Fine. And we have all the tabs opened. Let's say you want to navigate from one tab to the other. Instead of going to click on that tab and you know where the information is, you can simply press Ctrl 3 and it opens the tab. This actually means that it flows numerically from the left to the right. So the first tab is this, the second tab is this, the third tab is this, and the fourth tab is this. So when you click on Control 1, it opens the first tab. Control 4, it opens the fourth tab. Control 5, it opens the fifth tab. Let's say you mistakenly closes a tab on your PC. Let's close these tabs. It's closed and you want to return them back. Simply click Ctrl Shift T and the tab is returned. Ctrl Shift T, you've returned the tab again. Ctrl Shift T, all the tabs are returned. Thank you everyone for watching, and please don't forget to like the video. If you've not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Thank you very much and see you in my next video. Bye.